All right. This video is gonna be really short. I know I said that last time, and it ended up being like a 4 minute video, but this really isn't gonna be like a short video. Um, the reason being, sorry, but I just barely woke up, so um, but I just wanted to quickly um, this one is just explaining who I am, where I was born, pretty much my life. So if you guys get bored, go ahead and click away or whatever. Do whatever you want. You don't need to watch this. But I was born in American Samoa in Pango Pango. When I was 3 years old, I moved to. Um, okay, I was born in American Samoa Pango Pango in Lyndon B. Johnson Hospital. So if you guys familiar with that area, um, shout out to Lyndon B. Johnson. Just kidding. But moved to Hawaii when I was 3 years old. Um, in '87. So lived there till '96 of April. And my whole time there, I lived there for about 9.5 years. And my whole time there, I lived in KPT, kind of a project, a housing, low income housing project in Hawaii. And it was all right living in Hawaii, except the area was kind of bad. A lot of gangs started to rise, and so my parents, decided that it was about that time to make that move. My uncle, who lived in Utah, came down and told us that Utah was a better place to raise your family. And everything was just better education. It was cheaper than Hawaii, so we made that move. And I thought it was a smart move. Um, so that's basically what happened. I lived in Utah till about 2003. Um, I served the mission. For those of you that aren't familiar with Mormons or LDS religion, I served a 2 year mission in California, Riverside. Lived there for 2 years, um, and after that, I came back home to Utah and lived there since 2011. Last year in September is when we moved here in Vegas. I moved out here by myself, um, looking for a job, not knowing that this is the hardest state. It's actually ranked dead last um, in unemployment. So, not knowing that, but good thing we had family out here to kind of help us out. But yeah, so haven't really found a job. Just actually staying home, taking care of the kids right now. My wife's working, but everything's good. We're finally back on our feet again, and doing our thing. So that's pretty much my story in about 3 minutes. Damn, that's how long it took. Holy crap, my bad. Anyways, peace.